Hey guys, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from being foodie forever. Hi everyone, today we are going to make masala corn, which is an instant snack recipe. It is also a very healthy and a quick snack that is loved by all. So let me show you how to make it. Take 2 cups of sweet corn and boil them for 5 minutes. Then drain the water and transfer it in a bowl. After that, add 1 teaspoon of melted butter and give it a mix. Then sprinkle some black pepper powder, a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. You can also add 1 teaspoon of mixed pickle. It will taste superb. After that, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix them well. Now the masala corn is ready to serve, and make sure that you serve them hot. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. And thanks for watching.